What is the one word for move suddenly or as if unable to control one's movements? The correct answer is lurch. What is the one word for give something useful or necessary to? The correct answer is provide. What is the one word for difficult to use or handle because of size or weight? The correct answer is unwieldy. What is the one word for a solemn pledge to do something? The correct answer is vow. What is the one word for not growing or living in groups or colonies? The correct answer is solitary. What is the one word for desire strongly or persistently? The correct answer is yearn. What is the one word for an involuntary vibration, as if from illness or fear? The correct answer is tremor. What is the one word for something that stands in the way and must be surmounted? The correct answer is obstacle. What is the one word for travel up? The correct answer is ascend. What is the one word for similarity in appearance or nature between persons or things? The correct answer is likeness. What is the one word for adapt something wild to the environment? The correct answer is cultivate. What is the one word for grow worse? The correct answer is decline. What is the one word for bring to an end or halt? The correct answer is terminate. What is the one word for a person related to another or others? The correct answer is kin. What is the one word for a call to engage in a contest or fight? The correct answer is challenge. What is the one word for take possession of by force, as after an invasion? The correct answer is conquer. What is the one word for acquire by means of a financial transaction? The correct answer is purchase. What is the one word for helping someone grow up to be a member of the community? The correct answer is upbringing. What is the one word for in accord with established conventions and requirements? The correct answer is formal. What is the one word for not in action or at work? The correct answer is idle.